Good morning students. As in previous video, I continue teaching tense. I have told you that there are three tenses in English grammar: present tense, past tense and future tense. I have also told you that each tense has been divided into four parts. First part of present tense, I was teaching you simple present tense. It is also known as present indefinite tense. Students, I have told you that any tense can be recognized by its helping verb and the use of form of main verb. I have told you that in simple present tense there are two helping verbs, do and does, and these two helping verbs are used in negative and interrogative sentence. I have told you the rule of positive sentence, negative sentence, and I have told you the one rule of interrogative sentence if the sentence starts with helping verb. Today I will tell you the second rule of interrogative sentence, that is, if the sentence starts with question verb. Yesterday I told you that interrogative sentences are of two types, starting with helping verb and starting with question verb. Starting with helping verb you have already written. If the sentence starts with question word just like when, what, when, where, how many, etc. So then this rule is followed. The rule is, first of all we write question word, then do and does, then subject, then verb first form, then object, then question mark. Now see the example of this rule. Example you can take. Why does he beat him? Why does he beat him? You see, this sentence is of simple present tense interrogative is starting with question word why. Here singular number subject you are there, so does has been. If the subject will be I, you are plural, then who will be used here. According to this rule, this sentence starts with question word. First of all question word why is written, then according to rule do and does is written, then subject, then verb first form beat will be written, then object again has written, then question mark. If the sentence starts with question word, we apply this rule. But students, one more rule is there. If the sentence starts with who, other question word not, only who, then other rule is followed. This is rule 3. Rule 3 is, if the sentence starts with who, this rule is followed. Rule is who plus verb first form plus yes plus object plus question mark. Question mark. This is the rule. If the sentence starts with who, only who, why, when, what not, so then this rule is followed. Example we can see. Example. Who rings the bell? Question mark. Who rings the bell? This is the example of this rule. If the sentence starts with who, so then who is written at first, then verb first form, then yes is added there, then object, the bell is written. In this way, students, today simple present tense is completed. Now write down all these rules, and I am going to start present continuous tense. That is the second part of present tense. Write down all of you present continuous tense. You have to write down. Present continuous tense. Students, I have told you in each tense particular helping verbs are there. Write down helping verbs. Helping verbs. Helping verbs here in this tense they are eat and are. There are three helping verbs. Eat and are. Only two things you have to see: helping verb and form of main verb. In this tense, main verb form verb first form plus ing is used. Verb first form plus ing is used. Form of main verb is used. Form of main verb first form is used, and then ing. This is the recognition of this tense, that in present continuous tense is and are the three verbs are used according to rule, and verb first form plus ing is used. Now write the rule of positive sentence. Positive sentence rule. Rule is subject plus is and are plus verb first form plus ing plus object. This is the rule. In present continuous tense, there are three helping verbs is and are, and verb first form plus ing is used. The rule of positive sentence is subject plus is and are plus verb first form plus ing plus object. But here students you have to see where is used, where and is used, where are is used. Is used with singular number subject. Singular subject is followed by I. If the subject is I is followed by and you, and plural subjects are followed by are. This is the rule. Here is the rule where you will use each, where I am and where are. If singular number subject is there, so is written. If I is there, then I am written. If you are plural other subjects are there, then are written. Example you can say. Example you can say. He is writing a letter. He is writing a letter. Second example, I am going to school. I am going to school. The student, he is writing a letter. This sentence belongs to present continuous. How we can recognize? We can recognize by its helping verb and form of main verb. In this tense, you have written that is am are, any helping verb is used. Here is helping. First form plus ing is used here. Write plus ing, writing is used here. Ing is added there with the first form write. So it is confirmed that it is present continuous tense, positive sentence. He is writing letter. Here he has been used because he is single number. Here am has been used because there is I. According to rule, I have written I. There I will use. So this is first sentence rule. Now students write down the rule of negative sentence. Negative sentence rule write down. Negative sentence. Negative sentence. Negative sentence rule is there. Subject plus is and are plus not plus what plus ing plus object. This is the rule. Example friends, they are not playing cricket. Another example you can take. He is not reading a novel. He is not reading a novel. See the negative sentence of present continuous tense. Rule is subject plus jr plus not plus what plus from plus ing plus object. See the rule. They are not playing cricket. They subject are then not then what from play then ing playing then object cricket is there. It is negative sentence rule. Now write down the rule of interrogative sentence. The rule of interrogative sentence is to write interrogative. Rule of interrogative sentence there. Rule first. Rule first is the sentence starts with helping verb. So is and are plus subject plus verb first form plus ing verb first form plus ing plus object. This is the example करेंगे. Is he singing? Is he singing a song? Question mark. Here question mark is also written. Object plus question mark. Is he singing a song? It is interrogative sentence of present continuous tense. Here this sentence starts with helping verb. So this will be helping follow. First of all, is written here. Subject he is written here. Verb first form sing plus ing singing is written. Then object a song is written. Question mark is there. Students, one rule is left. Write down the next rule also. If the sentence starts with a question word, that rule second. Second rule. Question word plus is are plus subject plus verb first form plus ing plus object plus question mark. This rule is followed. If the sentence starts with question word, just like when, where, why, what, the first half of question word is written, other is a mark, then subject, then verb plus ing, then object, then question mark. Example 20. Example, where are they playing? Where are they playing cricket? Where are they playing cricket? See this, where are they playing cricket is interrogative sentence of present continuous tense starting with question word. One more example is going to take. Why is he weeping? Why is he weeping? Question mark. Why is he weeping? Interrogative sentence of present continuous tense. In this way, students, you will study simple present tense and present continuous tense. In present continuous tense, three helping verbs are used. Is and are. Is used for singular number subject, and is used for I, and are used for you. Form of main verb, first form plus ing is used. This is the rule. You have known the rules of positive sentence, negative sentence, and interrogative sentence. You have to write all these rules in your spare copy. Further, I will teach you in next video. Thank you.